Hi friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of this fitness equipment. It's an air bike. Okay, the packing should have been a bit better. At least plastic wrapping should have been done on this to prevent from damage. Anyway, now let's open it up and see if everything is intact. So we'll remove all the parts from inside and then we'll assemble today. Now we'll remove all the plastics and start assembling. Okay friends, now that I have done the unboxing and I have removed every parts from the box, let us check if anything is missing or everything was present in the box. So this is the warranty card. It has a warranty for 1 year. 1 year warranty. It has got two multi-purpose spanners, the screwdriver. Okay, this is the warranty card. This is the user manual. So now using this, let us cross check. Okay, so this part is okay. The machine is it was inside. This is the backrest post. This is the display meter, which will display speed, time, calories burnt, battery. We have two pedals here. This is the left pedal. This is the right pedal. These are the straps which will go on to this. These straps can be also tightened or increase or decrease as per the requirement of the person's feet. So we have two straps here. We have the studs with the nut and washers, including a split washer or lock washer. So once you tighten with this, it has a proper grip on the part that is tightened. This is the center post. This is the seat. This is the backrest. These are the caps which will be used for the covering the nuts, so it doesn't project out or protrude out. These are the caps for the handles. Okay, handlebar. So let us check. These are the two handlebars. We have one here. This is the left. This is the right one, right handlebar. We have, okay, this is, as I told you, this is the seat post. These are the studs. This is the rear stud. This is the rear stud. This is the front stud. Front means this will go on to this side and this will go here. I think that's all the parts we have here. Okay, now let us do the assembly.